In this video, I'll show you how to issue partial refunds in Stripe. First, sign into your Stripe account and open the Stripe dashboard. Next, click Payments and locate the payment you want to refund. You can use the search bar if you need to find a specific transaction. After that, open the Payment Details page and click the Refund button. Now, instead of selecting a full refund, enter the specific amount you want to refund. This allows you to return only part of the original payment while keeping the rest of the charge intact. Next, review the refund amount carefully to make sure it's correct. Once you're ready, click Refund to process the partial refund. After that, Stripe will begin processing the refund and update the payment record. You'll be able to see the refunded amount directly in the transaction details. Now, check the payment status to confirm that the partial refund was successfully issued. Depending on the customer's bank or payment method, it may take a few business days for the refund to appear. Finally, notify your customer that the refund has been processed and provide any additional information they may need regarding the refund timeline. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to issue partial refunds in Stripe. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.